Months ago, there were reports about the Galaxy S24 series featuring a satellite connectivity option for emergency texting, much like what we see on iPhones. Recent reports have further reinforced the existence of this emergency feature. A leaked screenshot from a Galaxy phone now confirms that the Galaxy S24 will indeed allow users to send text messages via satellite during emergencies. Samsung may refer to this feature as emergency texts via satellite. It will make its debut with the Galaxy S24. According to Samsung, if you find yourself in a situation where you're unable to connect to a network or out of range, you can still reach emergency services by using their satellite network to send an emergency text message. This functionality is expected to work to iPhones, where you can send text messages along with your GPS location information, so that emergency response teams can locate you and provide assistance. It will be particularly useful in scenarios where you are stranded in areas without network coverage and cannot contact your family, friends, or emergency response teams through traditional means. The availability of this feature might initially be limited to select markets. It is likely to expand across other countries as well, powered by Exynos and Snapdragon chips in the Galaxy S24 units. Samsung has developed its 5G NTN technology for two-way satellite communication purposes. Apart from this, according to a report, the complete S24 lineup is expected to hit the market at prices to those of its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 series. As per sources, prospective buyers can expect the Galaxy S24 to be priced at $799, while the S24 Plus will retail for $999. For those seeking of the line features and capabilities, the Ultra will be available at $1,199. It's worth noting that prices may vary for models with memory options. By maintaining pricing across their flagship lineup, Samsung reportedly anticipates a 10% boost in sales within an evolving smartphone market landscape. The company has set goals of selling more than 33 million units of the Galaxy S24 series. The report also mentions that Samsung's decision to utilize their Exynos 2400 chipset in markets for both base and Plus models contributes to keeping prices stable this year. On the other hand, it is widely expected that all regions will receive the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in their Galaxy S24 Ultra variant. The upcoming lineup is expected to be their device with AI capabilities. According to reports, the company has hopes that this next-generation flagship will revolutionize the smartphone industry. With these advancements, Samsung aims to capture attention and boost the Galaxy S24's chances of success by offering prices, particularly if the market conditions improve. So, what are your thoughts on the same pricing of the upcoming S24 lineup? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.